Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline 2.0 TDI 204 PS, and it currently has around 516 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning Indian grey metallic finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detailing in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the van. And the power folding mirrors do fold and unlocked to provide extra safety to the vehicle. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we do a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting in the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. And you have your electrical sliding doors on both sides, which will come in handy when you've got your hands full. Following on, we can see this Kombi really does have some well-maintained and comfortable interior, and we have our ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features. Starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that always on the correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage, what's on the move, and we do have our assist system with functions like the adaptive cruise, which helps you stay safe at a consistent speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route. It will boost your confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when travelling, as you can go to new locations you would never normally go to. And with this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors along with the rear view cam ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice there are many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, and towards the right hand side we have our heated windscreen, and towards the left we have our parking functions and electrical sliding door functions, and just below that we have even more storage space. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the centre there. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.